Hello everyone, welcome to this 29th video on Excel. In this video, we'll discuss how we can create bar charts using summarized data in Excel. So you can see on my screen that we have a summarized data where for each product we have the revenue and the profit numbers. Now, this data set we can get directly, or maybe with the raw data set, we may have to summarize to get data in this format. Assuming we already have the summarized data set, let's start how we can build a bar chart. So it's very simple. You select the these two columns and the rows using which you want to build the chart, and then you click on insert, and here if you see you have a few chart options. So you expand this and you select this clustered column chart. So if you click on this, actually, or if you click on this, so this will give you the bar chart, the above one will give you a column chart. So let's click on this and see how the results look like. So you see, we have a bar chart, horizontal bar chart, where we have these products and the corresponding revenues. Okay, so this is one way to do that. Now, if you want to actually add profit as well, so let's delete this and let's select all the three, and then click on insert, and then click here and let's select this bar chart. Okay, now you see we have both the bars present here, horizontal bars. We have the bars for each of these categories: stool, sofa, bed, chair, table. We have two horizontal bars, one for revenue and the other one for profit. So this way we can easily create a bar chart. Now, what are the options available to modify this kind of chart? So there are a lot many options. Let's see a few of them. So if you want to change the chart title, so you double click here, and then here you can actually change the chart title. So I can mention it like revenue and profit by product. Okay, so once I do this, you see it has changed. Now this position also we can change. We can change the font, we can change how to fill it. So let's do that. Let's maybe fill it with light blue. So you see it has changed. Now there are a few other options as well. So chart title, legend again. If you want to put your legend at the bottom or left, right, top, right, you can do that. You can change the font for the legend. You can fill it with a different color as well. So let's try this out. So you see, yeah, you can even add a color for the outline of this legend. Then we have a few options for vertical axis. If you see, you want to display this axis or you want to just remove that. So now, because our categories are on vertical axis, we should not actually remove it. Now gap width, measure type, so all these options are here. We can again fill it and we can provide the outline. Let's look at the horizontal axis now, because here on the horizontal axis we have the numbers. So right now we are actually not showing the numbers on this bar, so we should definitely display the axis. But if we want to show the numbers on the bars, then we can remove. So let's look at the series revenue. So if I click on data label on, you see we see all these numbers. Now if I click on series profit and again make this data label on, we have the data label here as well. And now as we have the data labels for both the revenue and profit, actually we can remove this horizontal axis as well, right? Now the other thing is that do we want to have these, maybe these vertical lines, let it be, it looks okay. And then there are few other things as well which you can do. Actually you can change the color of the background color of the chart. You can make anything bold. So for example, here if you want to make these axis bold, so let's see, you want to add axis title, you can do that. Okay, then this vertical axis again, if you want to actually You see, let's change the font, let's make it bold, let's make it big. So all this kind of modification you can do based on your requirement to make your chart better. So when we increase the size, it doesn't look that good. So let it be 10. And label position again next to axis, high, low, none. And you can make it reverse as well. So there are a lot many options here. So this way actually you can create a bar chart, and a few of these options which you see here, actually few of these options are available at the top as well. So you see, chart title, none, centered, overlay title, above chart, you can edit, axis title again, you can remove, edit, what, legend again, you can turn off, or you can change the position from here. Data labels again, if you want to show it in the center, so let's try that out. So if you do center, you see the data labels now went inside these bars, outside end. So this is how it is. And then data table, if you want to show data table, if you click on that, this is how will it will appear. So you'll have a table below as well. Okay. And then axis, primary horizontal axis, you want to change a few things, maybe change the way the numbers are appearing. Primary vertical axis, you can do some modification here. And then when you click on format, actually it opens the same thing which we have seen earlier. And based on this options, this format options, we can make our chart better. And if you look at click on this data here, you see what is actually being used. So A1 to C6 is the source, vertical axis level is A2 to A6. Okay. And the bar values are coming from revenue and profit. So with this option, you can bring this revenue down. So you'll have profit first. So here actually it is a bit confusing, but yeah, you have profit first and then you have the revenue. It is like this. Or you can add a few other fields as well. So this way actually you can create beautiful bar charts. Okay, horizontal bar charts in Excel, which is presentation ready. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel. We'll explore a few other charts in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.